Welcome student. Mobility of a charge carrier. What is charge carrier? Electron in case of conductor, in case of semiconductor, electron and holes. Now we will talk about only a conductor. Suppose mobility of a current carrier is defined as the ratio of drift velocity to the applied electric field. What is applied electric field? E is equal to, it's a vector, applied electric field. Electric field. And Vd is equal to drift velocity of charge carrier. That is drift velocity of the charge carrier. That is, here in case of conductor it is electrons. Suppose we have a conductor here of length L, that L is equal to length, and here potential difference is applied. Here potential difference is applied, that is connected with the battery. This is positive, this is negative, so this side will become positive, this side will become negative, and the electric field, applied electric field, will be in this direction from positive side to negative side. Suppose we'll take an example of one electron. It will be drifting because it is negative charge, it will be pulled up this side, so it will drift towards the positive terminal with a force. See, we know force, electric field is equal to force on the charge divided by unit test charge. So our force is equal to Q into E. So the force will be Q into E in case of electric field. In case of Q is equal to charge. Q is equal to charge. Of course, it is electron, so we will write minus E. So force is equal to minus E into E. And drift velocity. What about drift velocity? As it is, we know velocity is equal to acceleration into time. Here, time. What is time? Time is the average time taken between two successive collisions. That we call it is time, relaxation time, and we take the tau is taken as the average relaxation time of electron. Relaxation time. So average, already we have explained, this is the time, and if we take for all the electron, this will become average relaxation time. Therefore, V drift velocity is equal to acceleration into tau. What about the acceleration? So force is equal to mass into acceleration. Force is equal to, and acceleration. What is acceleration? Force by mass. That is force is equal to minus EE divided by m. This is the acceleration, and drift velocity. So acceleration into tau is equal to minus E by m into tau. So this is the expression for drift velocity. Therefore, drift velocity is given by this expression. This already we have derived at large. Now, mobility is defined as drift velocity, that is V drift velocity of electron, because electron will be drifting, negative charge will be drifting towards the positive, and drift velocity divided by the applied electric field. So which is equal to V drift velocity is equal to E tau by m divided by applied electric field, cancelling this one. So mobility is given by minus E tau by m. In this we have to note negative sign is because of the charge carrier. In conductor the charge carrier is electrons. So the drift velocity, the mobility of free electrons in the conductor with a drifting with the velocity of drift velocity and its mobility. Mobility is equal to mu is equal to u e tau by m. Q is equal to charge of the electron. So this is equal to charge of the electron. In general, we can write mu is equal to Q into tau by m. In case of electron, charge is equal to minus e. That is why it becomes with a negative sign. It means the drift velocity will be in this direction. Drift velocity will be in this direction and the applied field is in this direction. Therefore, the electron will be drifting in a direction opposite to the applied electric field. Since we are applying a potential difference, this will be a higher potential, this will be lower potential. A potential difference is applied across the conductor. It means this side is positive, this side is negative. So this is at higher potential, this is a lower potential, negative. So the electron will be drifting towards the positive end with a velocity of drifting velocity. Therefore, we can write drift velocity, the expression for drift velocity is equal to minus charge applied electric field by m into tau. And drift velocity divided by applied electric field is equal to minus q tau by m.